The invention of the microscope has been called the most important scientific discovery of the second millennium, and yet it was created by a spectacle maker's son who was likely never formally educated. Let's dive into history of microscopy. In the late 16th century, Hans Janssen, a Dutch spectacle maker, worked alongside his son Zacharias in their workshop, experimenting with various lens combinations to magnify objects. It was here that Zacharias Janssen, often credited as the inventor of the first compound microscope, brought together two convex lenses to create an instrument that could magnify objects up to 3 times larger than they appeared to the naked eye. As news of this innovation spread, other scientists and lens makers began to experiment with similar designs, eventually leading to the creation of more sophisticated microscopes. One of the most notable figures to utilize this new technology was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman who is now often referred to as the father of microbiology. Using his handcrafted microscopes, van Leeuwenhoek discovered a vast array of microorganisms, including bacteria, yeast, and protists, which were previously unknown to humans. His discoveries, communicated through a series of letters to the Royal Society, opened up an entirely new world of scientific inquiry and greatly expanded our understanding of the natural world. Over time, the design of the microscope continued to evolve, with significant improvements being made to its optical systems, mechanical stages, and illumination sources. The advent of electricity and the development of new materials further accelerated these advancements, allowing for the creation of microscopes that could produce higher magnification powers and resolve finer details. Today, modern microscopes come in a variety of forms, including electron microscopes, which use a beam of electrons to produce images, and fluorescence microscopes, which use fluorescent dyes to highlight specific structures within cells. The impact of microscopy on medicine has been particularly profound, enabling scientists to study the microscopic world of cells and tissues in unprecedented detail. This has led to a greater understanding of the causes of diseases, as well as the development of new treatments and therapies. For example, the discovery of microorganisms as a cause of many diseases led to the development of antibiotics and vaccines, which have saved countless lives. Furthermore, the study of cells and tissues has allowed researchers to better comprehend the complexities of human biology, leading to major advances in fields such as cancer research and regenerative medicine. Despite the many significant advances that have been made, there is still much to be discovered in the microscopic world. Scientists continue to use microscopes to study the behavior of microorganisms, the structure of cells, and the properties of materials at the nanoscale. This research has led to the discovery of new species, the development of new materials, and a deeper understanding of the natural world. Moreover, the importance of microscopy in education cannot be overstated, as it provides students with a hands-on way to explore the microscopic world and develop a greater appreciation for the complexities of biology and the natural sciences. As we look to the future, it is clear that microscopy will continue to play a vital role in advancing our understanding of the world around us. New technologies, such as super-resolution microscopy and cryo-electron microscopy, are allowing researchers to study the microscopic world in unprecedented detail. Additionally, the development of more affordable and accessible microscopes is making it possible for researchers in developing countries to conduct high-quality research, further expanding our knowledge of the natural world. Ultimately, the microscope has proven to be a powerful tool for discovery, and its impact will only continue to grow as scientists continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The microscopic world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and the microscope has proven to be an indispensable tool in this pursuit. From the discovery of new species to the study of microbial behavior, the microscope has allowed us to explore the natural world in ways that were previously unimaginable. As we continue to advance our understanding of the microscopic world, we may uncover new secrets about the intricacies of life, the behavior of microorganisms, and the properties of materials at the nanoscale. The microscope has opened up a new frontier of scientific inquiry, and it will be exciting to see where this journey takes us. In the realm of public health, microscopy has played a critical role in the discovery of new diseases and the development of diagnostic tools. The study of microbial pathogenesis has allowed researchers to better comprehend the mechanisms by which microorganisms cause disease, leading to the development of more effective treatments and prevention strategies. Furthermore, the importance of microscopy in engineering and materials science cannot be overstated, as it has enabled researchers to study the properties of materials at the nanoscale, leading to the development of new materials with unique properties. As we look to the future, it is clear that microscopy will continue to be a vital tool for innovation, driving advances in fields such as medicine, engineering, and materials science. The microscope has proven to be a powerful tool for discovery, and its impact will only continue to grow as scientists continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Whether it is used to study the behavior of microorganisms, the structure of cells, or the properties of materials, the microscope has opened up a new frontier of scientific inquiry, and it will be exciting to see where this journey takes us. The microscopic world is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered, and the microscope will continue to be an indispensable tool in this pursuit.